Rheem 8kW 240V Tankless Electric Water Heater Review. Welcome back. Today we're reviewing the Rheem 8kW 240V Tankless Electric Water Heater, a compact and efficient solution for continuous hot water in your home. Key features. This model comes with an on-off dial control and an adjustable digital temperature display, giving you precise control over your water temperature. It uses self-modulating power control, meaning it only consumes the energy required to heat the water you need, making it both efficient and cost-effective. Performance. The 8kW unit delivers a flow rate of up to 1.95 gallons per minute, ideal for point-of-use applications like a single shower or sink. For larger households, Rheem offers higher kilowatt models, such as the RTEX 24kW, which can provide up to 5.9 GPM in warm climates, enough for multiple showers and sinks running at once. On-demand hot water. One of the biggest advantages of this water heater is instant, continuous hot water. Installed near the point of use, the RTEX 8 ensures you don't wait long for hot water to reach your faucet or shower. No preheating, no storage tank, just reliable hot water when you need it. Installation and convenience. With side half-inch NPT water connections, installation is straightforward. And because it's an electric tankless system, there's no venting required, so it can be installed virtually anywhere inside the home. Compact and versatile, it's a great fit for apartments, small homes, or secondary bathrooms. Energy-smart operation. The RTEX series is designed with energy modulation, ensuring efficient operation by adjusting power usage based on demand. This not only saves energy, but also reduces utility costs over time. Return policy. If purchased through Amazon, you're covered by their voluntary 30-day return guarantee, giving you peace of mind in case the product doesn't meet your expectations. The Rheem 8kW 240V Tankless Electric Water Heater is a reliable, energy-smart solution for households that want hot water on demand without the bulk of a traditional tank. If you're ready to upgrade your home's water heating system, check the product link in the description and pinned comment for more details. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more professional product reviews.